I'm having a problem with my freezer. It doesn't stop, it just keep on running. Then I found the problem. Then I decided to open the control board, and then what I found is very interesting. You must see there's two relays. One is for the motor and one is for the element. Now the one for the motor, I actually have to show you quickly. I just want to focus here. You must see how the points look from the contact points. I'm going to bend it open here for you. This is a contact, it doesn't work. But if you look at this one, look how, if you can see there's like how that front part looks there. The part there is very, very bad. It is like it ripped a chunk of the other side, and then it arced, and then it stopped. That's why it stopped working. And then that's my contact. The next time it grips and it can't release again. And then the motor just just keep on running. So I replaced the relays and it's working again. So just for interest sake, for you guys to see how it looks when a contact burn of all this, like 7 years of operation. This is with quite a strong relay. I think it's a 10 amp relay. It's a 24 volt on the control board of a Whirlpool freezer. That is just for interest sake. Okay, till next time. Cheers.